everybody, we're back again. We got a new one today. We have a Henry lever action. It's 22, but it's a tube fed magazine. This tube goes all the way to the end of the barrel, so we can hold quite a bit more in here. It's chambered in 22, 22 short, 22 long, and 22 long rifle. The tube magazine allows us to feed all the different 22s through it. Just no 22 mag. That's a different cartridge altogether. But we got a target set up at 50 yards. Currently, we have some CCI standard velocity 22 long rifle going about 1070 feet per second with a 40 grain projectile. That's what's currently loaded up in it. We're going to do a group of, I think 12, and see how it goes. Target set up 50 yards downrange. We'll try on the spotting camera real quick. All right, spotting camera's on. Out of the Henry lever action with the CCI standard velocity. Let's get on target real quick. I don't shoot too many lever actions, so this one's a little bit different for me. It's fun though. We have the rings mounted straight to the dovetail on the rifle itself, on the receiver. I tried to get as low as I could. They were probably a hair off that barrel band. No contacting, but it is close. All right, here we go. Top target, center. It's shooting low. It's at standard velocity. Make sure the camera's picking it up. Okay. The camera is picking it up. It's still jamming out of this thing. This thing's fun. It feels like a toy. This thing shoots so light, and this lever's fun. I feel like this thing has a whole bunch of ammo. Dang, almost an unlimited supply. I think that other one we were shooting had 9 rounds in it. So this one having a few extras. Feels like a lot. Okay, that felt like it. It's funny. When it's empty, it's super smooth. But when you have a round in it, in the tube, you can slightly feel it pick it up. I'm not saying it's rough by any means. It is super smooth. I'm going to push pause on the camera real quick. I'm liking this guy. This is the first time I've had it out. I've had it sit in my closet for a long time, and I've just never got around to shooting it. I don't know why. Now I'm going to bring it out a lot. This thing's fun. I do have one other lever action rifle. It's one of the Brownings, but it's a BLR, Browning lever action rifle. I've never heard anything good about cleaning it. I've heard a lot of horror stories about people cleaning their Browning lever action, taking it apart, and they can't get it back together for nothing. So I kind of bought it. I bought it brand new. It's chambered in 243, and it's just been letting it sit in the closet. It's super pretty, and I just like it because it's a Browning lever action, so it sits there. So this is the first lever action rifle I've actually ever shot. It's a good time. It makes me want to shoot the other one, but nah, not that one. We'll keep on shooting this one. I'm gonna load up some of, what do we got? We have the Aguila standard velocity 22 long rifle, 40 grains, 1130 feet per second. It is a bare lead bullet, just like the CCI. It is going about 60 feet per second faster. Let's see how this one groups. Give me 2 minutes. I'm gonna get loaded up with this, and we'll be right back. And we're back. We got loaded up with, it's either 11 or 12 rounds of the Aguila standard velocity. We're gonna see how it does. I'm thinking it's gonna do very similar to the CCI, but we'll see. Let's throw it in the chamber real quick. All right, here we go. We're going for the top right corner with the Henry lever action. We do have wow, this wind just picked up. Feels like it's coming straight at us. We'll see if it makes a difference. At least that's the way we'll have an excuse. This thing is super smooth. It feels like a toy. I like it. I don't know how quiet it would be with those shorts. It's this quiet with the standard velocities. I think that might be it. It felt different when I cocked that one. Let's see. Yep, that was it. You can definitely feel it when it picks up the cartridge from the tube. Super smooth. But then once it has a cartridge in the tube, you can feel it, grab it, and pick it up. It's not a rough feeling. It's not rough by any means, but you can feel a ever so slight resistance on it. I'm going to push pause on this for a second. All right. So on this magazine, on the tube magazine, when I'm loading it up, the tube goes all the way to shoot within a ½ inch of the muzzle. When we had that Marlin Glenfield out, we said it had that shorter tube on it. It's a lot safer. This one, when I've been loading it, I've been making sure the hammer is in down position, not allowing it to go off on me. Just check this out. This tube is right here. It's right at the tip of the muzzle. So when I go to release it, you slide it forward. The moment it slides forward within a ½ inch, your fingertips are right there at the muzzle. And this is a long tube as well. You just have to be cautious. Make sure the hammer is down. And there's no way that it can shoot with the hammer down. But I'm going to get loaded up with a few more rounds, or I should say a few rounds of the Aguila hollow point. It is a copper plated bullet, 38 grains, going around 1280 feet per second. It's a hollow point copper plated bullet. We're going to see how this one does. We'll be right back. And we're back. We've got 11 rounds of the Aguila hollow point, 38 grain, 1280 feet per second, copper plated, 38 grain hollow point. Let's see how it does. The other one wasn't half bad, I don't think. Let's see if the little bit of extra velocity helps or hurts this one. It's got that copper plate on it too. This wind, it's directly in our faces, so we're shooting right into it. So we'll see what that does. It'll give us an excuse if we mess up too badly at least, but let's see. I'm going to be going for the bottom right corner. I've got the spotting camera going already. Yep, it's still going. All right. Dang, that wind just picked up. We'll see what happens. It's straight in our face though. I think it's looking pretty decent. It's funny. This ammo has a different smell to it. It's not like all the other ammos we shot. It's a different type of smell. Every time I open the bolt, I can smell it. Yep. Let's see if that was the last round. That was it. That one doesn't feel too bad. It's looking pretty decent. Group of 11. That barrel is not hot whatsoever. We got a nice breeze straight at us that is cooling it down, but honestly, I don't think these 22 long rifles get these barrels very hot at all versus a big rifle. This is a fun rifle. I'm sad I haven't brought it out before because this was fun. I don't know about these rings because this barrel is awfully close. I can see daylight through it, but shoot, I think we're almost splitting hairs on that one. Can you guys see that? So we're clear. Honestly, it might just be perfect, huh? We'll get some more ammo and we'll see if it has a preference. See if we can get it as tight as we can. We'll come out on a day that it's not quite so windy. It's just been weird lately. You guys back east are getting blasted. Here in Arizona, I'm out here in shorts and a t-shirt with the breeze. I think it's about 70 degrees out. Let me see. It's 2:59 and it's 59 degrees out. I can't complain. I know you guys are not doing so well in other parts of the nation. Shoot, even other parts of the world. I'm not sure how far out you guys are watching. But it's a nice day. I'm not really getting too sunburned today. I know a few weeks ago I got pretty sunburnt. It wasn't too fun. But let's go up and look at the target and we'll see how it looks nice and close. Be right back. We're back. It's not bad. So this guy, that was the CCI standard velocity. Looks like a 1-inch group, 50 yards, 22 long rifle. That's not bad. I'm feeling pretty good about it. Then up here, shoot, I think that was the Aguila standard velocity. I'm not sure. But that's not too far off from this one either. So what is that, about a 2-inch group? That one's just under. That's not bad. I'd say they're kind of equal. I can run the camera back and verify which one was which. I may do that in my editing, so it may pop up right around here when you guys see this, but we'll see. But that CCI standard velocity, that's not bad. It's about a 1-inch group at 50 yards, and I can get that ammo pretty easily. Every time I've been to the store, they've had it in stock. So I'm really digging the CCI standard. That Aguila, the Aguila's a new one. We haven't tried that one yet. It's the first time I saw it in the store. It's not bad. It's pretty good. But my heart's not going to be broken if they don't have it in the store. The CCI standard seems to be working in everything very well. I'll be a little heartbroken if that one's not in the store when I'm trying to find it. But we're shooting from all the way back there. That's at 50 yards. A little bit easier walk than that 100 yards. We're gonna get some more ammo. We'll keep our eyes open and see if we can find something that Henry really likes. It's worth a shot. But I am digging that Henry rifle. It is smooth. It kind of blows me away. Like I thought when you cock it, cycle the action, I thought it'd be a little bit rougher because it's feeding the 22 long rifle. And just in general, that's a pretty big motion it's making. It's not bad. It's pretty cool. I like it. I've never really shot the lever actions before. I might keep my eyes open for them now. This one's fun. I know there's a good handful of other manufacturers out there. I think Rossi makes one. But every time I've seen one, it's had the plastic on it. the plastic guns they just don't feel right to me. I may eventually pick one up if I can find it at a significantly awesome price. But if I can find the wood stocked Rossi, I might pick that one up. But for the time being, I really like this Henry lever action. Let's see if we get some shorts for it, see which other ammos we can get, and we'll see what it does. Cool, thanks everyone. Thanks for watching. If you guys like what you saw, hit that like. Want to see more, hit that subscribe. Cool, we'll see you guys later. Thank you for coming out.